It's that time again. What's up, guys? It's Ryan with Top Hat Connections from Keller Williams. Did you know that the male lion's roar can be heard from up to 5 miles away? How crazy is that? It also makes it the loudest roar of any of the big cat species. Now, when you listen to Top Hat Connections, our reach is much wider than 5 miles. With our cutting-edge digital and marketing strategies, your home will be seen by the masses and millions of people around the world. So give us a call today for all of your real estate needs. If you have any real estate questions, feel free to comment them below, and I might just even make a video on it. So, hope you guys have a good one. Don't forget to like and share this video. Make it a great day. Talk to you soon.